All right, one more time. I want to show you how to solve an equation with variables on both sides of the equation. In this example, I've got a 2x over on the left-hand side of the equation and a 5x over on the right-hand side of the equation. And I need to get those two together. I need to decide I'm either going to move my x's over to the left-hand side over here, or I'm going to move my x's over to the right-hand side. In the past, I've showed you moving them only to the left-hand side. So I think to give you another example, I'm going to move this 2x over to the right-hand side. And I'm going to do that by using the subtraction property of equality. I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides of the equation. That's going to make the 2x's cancel out over on the left. And then over on the right-hand side, they're going to be combined together. 5x minus 2x gives me a 3x. I did combine like terms after subtracting 2x from both sides. And then these 18s, well, they didn't change, so I just need to copy them down. A minus 18 on the left-hand side, a plus 18 on the right-hand side. And that's the result of doing the subtraction property of equality, combining like terms, this 5x and this minus 2x. Well, I need to continue in order to continue to simplify this and get my ultimate solution. So I want to get my 18s together. I'm going to subtract 18 from both sides of the equation so that these two will cancel off on the right, and it's going to show up over here on the left. I'm subtracting 18 from both sides of the equation, and now I'm going to do combine like terms. Minus 18, minus 18, well, that's the same thing as having two 18s put together, except they're both negative. So that gives me a minus 36. And then over here on the right-hand side, I have 3x all by itself because my 18s cancel each other out. There's one last step to this equation, and that's the division property of equality. That's what I need to do. I need to divide both sides of the equation by 3. The coefficient of x, we want that to go away so that I'll be left with x all by itself. So I'm dividing both sides of the equation by 3. The 3's over here on the right cancel each other out. Over on the left-hand side, I have a minus 36 divided by 3. 36 divided by 3 is 12. And it's going to be negative 12 because I have a minus sign in front of my 36. And now I have my solution. Minus 12 is equal to x. Or you could read it the opposite way. X is equal to minus 12. That is the solution to this equation with variables on both sides of the equation.